somehow nobody else before them could manage this, but Gen Z did. So on YouTube, somebody left me a question. What about CBT stigma? And I think this question meant specifically stigma about going in for treatment. It's gotten better. It's gotten better. This is one thing that I do give a lot of credit to Gen Z for, that Gen Z, more than any other generation before them, made it normal and accessible to say, I have a mental health issue and I need to talk to somebody about this. And I think people are hard on Gen Z a lot of times for, they have different beliefs about a lot of things, and that's okay. Like, my beliefs are different than my parents were, and it's okay. There's always going to be some generational differences, but one of the great gifts I think that Gen Z did give was, or has given so far, was making mental health treatment accessible and normalized. They've done amazing with it. Somehow nobody else before them could manage this, but Gen Z did. And it has to do a lot with the influencers and things like that, that by people talking about it, it normalized it. And so the more that we do that, the more that we say, yeah, I went to therapy and it helped me out a lot, or yeah, I had trauma and I'm okay, then it opens up that door for other people to be able to talk about it, right? So I will freely share that I've been to therapy 5 different times in my life, and I probably have more work to do. I go in and out as I need to work on stuff. It's called episodic care. And you don't have to be in therapy for the rest of your life. Go in, work on an issue. When you get that issue feeling better, you can take a break from it. In fact, a lot of the models kind of indicate that that's better than doing like 20 years of therapy, right? Go in, do a year of therapy or 6 months of therapy, get something worked out, then go back and just kind of work on your life a little bit. If you hit a roadblock and something's bothering you, go in and do a little bit more work, right? And sometimes it's good to even mix it up and try a different therapist, because you're going to get a different experience with each therapist. I've had 5. Each one was different. Each one had pros and cons. I learned something from each one, and each one helped me to be a better version of myself from what I got from